The next question is, find the vertex and lattice rectum of this function y is equal to 2x square minus 5x plus 3. So this is a very simple question. So what is the formula for vertex of a quadratic function? The vertex is given by minus b by 2a and minus d by 4a. So to find the vertex, first you need to find the discriminant. So what is d for this? Discriminant is b square 25 minus 4ac, 4 into 3 into 2, that is 24, which is equal to 1. So the discriminant is 1. So let us substitute the numbers here. So you get minus of b is minus 5 by 2a is 4, comma, minus of d is 1 by 4a, that is 4 into 2 is 8. So the vertex is given by 5 by 4 comma minus 1 by 8. And what is the lattice rectum of this function? The lattice rectum is given by modulus of 1 by a. It is 1 by the coefficient of x square, the reciprocal of the coefficient of x square, which is equal to 1 by 2. So vertex is 5 by 4 and minus 1 by 8, and the lattice rectum is 1 by 2. So which case the graph falls into? So the leading coefficient is positive, so you have an upward parabola, and the discriminant is also positive, so you have this graph. So this function falls into the first case. Thank you.